How to put it, darling? Off, off. It's all off, hand. Okay.
But you need to tell me how to do it.
Yung buho, my hair before is very curly. You know, ano yung buho ko, kulot na kulot. Tapos, when I got a job, so I did a reband to make it straight. At first, it didn't went well. So the next reband, it a little straight, and later on it becomes straight every time I do the reband. But still, it's curly. So that's my job's husband too. So that's, remember darling, there's a lot saying, why you didn't comb your hair always? Yeah, I'm just, sometimes it's just really aga yan. Okay, so I know now.
Oh, you need to get the snags out of your hair.
So, I'll put it back.
Well, you need to get the snags out of your hair.
Yeah, what's now?
So, this is a snag.
Give it to me.
Okay.
You say something on the video.
Say something. No need to say anything.
Yeah, so we're here. Our flight is tonight. So we're gonna have breakfast after I comb my hair. And we're really we're still adapting our new environment for today. For one day. You know. I called Nanay. How are they? How was the dog? How was Golden? Nanay said Golden didn't go out the whole day yesterday. And Pogi always been in our door last night, noisy because he thought that we're inside and he wants to come in. So I told Nanay, bring Pogi inside when you sleep, so he has accompanying.
I'm staying in the guest house.
Yeah. So I on our Wi-Fi all the way so that